Good afternoon, Islington United Church community. This is a short tutorial video for anyone who is interested in joining us this first week of the summer pickup choir. This Sunday we're going to sing a lovely piece together called Prayer of Peace. It's attached as a PDF to your weekly communication, so you could open it up now, pause this video for a second, make sure you have it in front of you. Good, glad you have it. I'm going to teach you the melody and some of the harmony, and then look forward to seeing some of you at 9:45 on Sunday morning. I have music for everybody, so you don't need to worry about copying it or printing it or anything like that. And we'll get to sing it together. So I'll play it through for you once on the piano so you can hear the tune. I'll sing a verse for you, then I'll teach you some parts. Here it is, Prayer for Peace. That's it. It's a pretty simple tune. We've done it in church a couple times. Andrew and Catherine and I sang it as a trio around, I think, Remembrance Day last year. So here's how the first verse goes. I'll sing it for you. Peace before us, peace behind us, peace under our feet. Peace within us, peace over us, let all around us be peace. And that's the tune for every verse. The first verse, everyone sings together. The second verse splits into two parts, sopranos and altos. And let me play the alto part for you so you can hear it. And each time the alto part occurs, it sounds like that. And then there's a tenor part, which starts at verse 3. Well, not a tenor part really, it's a baritone part, so it's in a good range for all lower voices. And it goes like this. Light before us, light behind us, light under our feet, light within us, light over us, let all around us be light. It follows the melody for the most part. And other than that, there are no real surprises in this piece. There are 7 verses. First verse, everyone. Second verse, sopranos and altos, 2 parts. Third verse, all voices. Fourth verse, only the lower voices. Fifth verse, like the third verse, with all voices singing together. And then there's a little descant part. So if there are a couple of sopranos coming who have a higher voice, that's a pretty simple part, though, and we'll teach it on Sunday morning to those who want to sing it. And then after that 5th verse, there's a 6th verse where we invite everyone to hum the melody together, including the congregation. And then the 7th verse is everyone in unison. So that's it. I hope you can join us on Sunday morning at 9:45 and enjoy this lovely setting of Prayer of Peace.